Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a new designation in the Fresa Global Application. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. After a successful login, you will be taken to the home page. Now, navigate to the menu page. Once the menu page opens, use the search bar and type designation. Click Search. The designation menu will appear. Select the designation menu to proceed. The designation list page will open. On this page, click Submit to view the existing designations. To create a new designation, click the Create button at the top right corner. The designation edit frame will open. Enter the required details such as code, name, and remarks. Once all the information has been entered, click Save. You will be redirected to the designation list page. The newly created designation will be displayed at the top of the list. That's it. This is how you can create a new designation in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.